जी भावना, आप हमारे साथ बने रहे. इनफैक्ट लेट मी also get in a word from my colleague Nikita Sareen, who's joining us from Uttar Pradesh as well for the latest updates on this. Nikita, this is civic apathy that we're talking about. We have already seen 7 deaths. Monsoon has just started off across the country, and if we ignore the lightning deaths that have happened, there are 4 other deaths that have happened because of either a wall crumbling or a tin shed falling. These are deaths that could have been avoided. A kid died, a toddler, in fact, a 3-year-old died in Ghaziabad because unfortunately a plot was waterlogged right in front of her home. So this all exposes the civic infrastructure as well.
Well, yes, as far as IMD, that is Indian Meteorological Department is concerned, has already issued a heavy rainfall alert for northern state, including western Uttar Pradesh and Rajasthan as well. And Weather Department also issued a forecast for fairly widespread for rain over Delhi, Haryana, and also in Uttar Pradesh. As far as Lucknow is concerned, yesterday a yellow alert has been issued for Lucknow for thunderstorm and rain, and after heavy showers drenched in Lucknow. In fact, today this is also we can see clearly that it is raining here. But as far as the departments are concerned, already Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, if we talk about, he already took cognizance for the loss of life, livestock, and also economic damage that has been caused by excessive rainfall and lightning in Uttar Pradesh. Also, if we talk about Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath already expresses grief for the people and also for animals who lost their life in this rain. Also, if we talk about CM, also direct officials to assess the damage, including loss of life, livestock, and economic asset caused by excessive rainfall, and also provided help for farmers whose life was also lost, and excessive rainfall and lightning also disperse the compensation within 24 hours. Chief Minister also instructs senior officials to visit the field and provide all possible assistance for the affected family, and official directed to engage with affected family and ensure all possible aid is provided. And Chief Minister is already wishing for the speedy recovery of the people who were injured. So these are the things which are happening here in Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh, as well as orange alert was yellow alert. In fact, was also declared here in Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow, where from yesterday it is raining out heavily, and people who are doing their regular routine schedule are facing a big problem because we can see a lot of traffic jam is there, all the holes are getting full. So this is all the scenario. If we talk about Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow, where Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath is also doing conversation with officials and asking them to be there and look those who are losing their life, and also helping farmer, and compensation will also be given after the survey within 24 hours. Over to you.
Right, Nikita. Continue to stay on with us. In fact, also joining us on the broadcast to give you a perspective on what the weather is like.